Many manufacturing businesses require large-scale investment, but the 10 businesses discussed in this video can often be started with relatively low to moderate investment, depending on the scale of operations. Each of these businesses serves an established market with existing commercial demand. In this video, we will explore 10 small-scale manufacturing businesses that can be started from a small workshop or production unit. We will also explain the machinery required, potential sales channels, and the operational challenges associated with each business. So watch the video until the end. And keep in mind that some of these businesses require technical skills, and business success depends on factors such as market demand, product quality, operational efficiency, competition, and management. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Before starting any business, conduct your own market research, understand the applicable regulations, and carefully assess the potential risks involved. Now come, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Customized trophy manufacturing business. The personalized trophy manufacturing business serves schools, sports clubs, corporations, and event organizers, operating in a market that is competitive yet well established. A wide range of trophies and awards can be produced using raw materials such as acrylic, MDF, resin, and metal, alongside equipment like laser cutters and printers. Target markets for these products include schools, gift shops, and online platforms. However, when handling customized orders, challenges can arise, such as design errors, meeting delivery deadlines, and ensuring safe packaging. Number 2. Ceramic or clay pot manufacturing business. Ceramic and clay pots continue to be widely used in home decor, gardening, and the hospitality industry. Starting this business requires high-quality clay, feldspar, silica, and glazes, as well as machinery like pottery wheels and kilns, along with proper training. The finished products can be marketed to nurseries, garden centers, interior designers, hotels, resorts, and online marketplaces. However, it is very important to take into account factors such as breakage during kiln firing, damage during transportation, and electricity costs, as these directly affect profitability. Number 3. Aloe vera gel and powder manufacturing business. The use of aloe vera-based products is on the rise in the cosmetics, skincare, herbal product, and personal care markets. Starting this manufacturing business requires fresh aloe vera leaves, preservatives, additives, packaging materials, and machinery for gel extraction and filling. To sell the finished products, one can target cosmetic companies, pharmacies, spas, herbal product manufacturers, wholesalers, and online retailers. Remember that success depends on maintaining hygiene, precise mixing, and proper storage conditions, as even minor quality defects can lead to significant losses. Number 4. Egg powder manufacturing business. Egg powder is a processed product with a long shelf life. It is widely used in bakeries, biscuit manufacturers, instant food producers, and food processing companies. To start this manufacturing business, industrial equipment such as egg breaking machines, pasteurization units, filtration systems, spray dryers, powder collection units, and filling and capping machines are required. However, obtaining an FSSAI license and prioritizing hygiene and quality control are essential before commencing operations. Number 5. Cornstarch manufacturing business. Cornstarch is widely used as a gluten-free thickening agent for soups and gravies, as well as in various industrial sectors such as paper, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and adhesives. The process requires equipment such as purification units, steeping tanks, grinders, separators, centrifuges, dryers, sifters, and automated packaging machines. Potential customers include food processors, paper manufacturers, textile companies, chemical distributors, and industrial wholesalers. Key challenges include managing water and electricity costs, handling production waste, and ensuring consistent product quality. Number 6. Biodegradable packaging manufacturing business. Restaurants, food delivery services, supermarkets, and e-commerce companies are increasingly adopting eco-friendly packaging using raw materials such as sugarcane, bagasse, cornstarch, and biodegradable polymers. One can establish an eco-friendly packaging manufacturing business utilizing pulp molding, thermoforming, and cutting sealing machines. These products can be marketed to restaurants, cafeterias, distributors, and online buyers. However, while rising demand is a strength, maintaining quality control costs and ensuring competitive pricing remain challenges. Number 7. Herbal tea manufacturing business. The market for herbal tea has expanded as today's consumers seek a wide variety of beverages. Using equipment like dryers, blenders, sieves, tea bag filling machines, weighers, and packaging machines, even small-scale units can produce these tea bags on a daily basis. Key ingredients include tulsi, lemongrass, ginger, mint, chamomile, hibiscus, and packaging materials. Pharmacies, natural product stores, supermarkets, websites, and wholesalers can be targeted for sale. However, since herbal tea is a food product, it is crucial to focus on FSSAI licensing, hygienic packaging, accurate labeling, shelf life management, and quality control. Number 8. Frame and wall art manufacturing business. Decorative wall frames are used to enhance the aesthetics of various spaces, such as homes, offices, and hotels. This manufacturing business can be started on a small scale using raw materials like MDF boards, wooden moldings, canvases, and paints, alongside machinery such as CNC routers and UV printers. Then the finished products can be targeted for sale directly through furniture stores, gift shops, or online. Since many customers appreciate unique designs, premium prices can be charged based on the design and specific requirements. But it is important to consider factors such as potential damage during transportation, changing trends, and packaging costs, as these can affect revenue. Number 9. 3D filament manufacturing business. 3D printing technology has begun to be used today by engineering colleges, design studios, and many startups. The main requirements for starting this business include raw materials such as plastic pellets, color master batches, and packaging materials, as well as machinery such as extrusion lines and packaging equipment. To sell the manufactured filament, one can target 3D printing service providers, colleges, maker labs, and industrial distributors, thereby creating opportunities for recurring orders. But don't forget, it is very important to maintain a consistent diameter across the coils, as any variation can affect the performance of the 3D printer. Number 10. Wire fencing manufacturing business. Wire fencing solutions serve as a vital component of local infrastructure and agricultural projects, driving consistent demand in the sector. This business can be established on a small-scale, industrial level using materials such as galvanized iron wire, steel wire, PVC-coated wire, construction wire, and steel posts, alongside machinery like wire drawing machines, chain link machines, cutting tools, and rolling machines. Initially, the target market should include hardware stores, agricultural retailers, construction material suppliers, contractors, farm owners, and government agencies. However, factors such as fluctuations in steel prices, the need for substantial inventory, and routine machinery maintenance can impact costs. Friends, before starting any business, please consider the following important points. Are the raw materials required for your business easily available in your area? Is there a market demand for your product? Do you have a 3-phase electricity connection, which is often required for industrial-grade machinery? Also, consider whether you can afford machine maintenance, employee wages, and operational costs. So always conduct your own research or seek expert advice on market conditions, availability of raw materials, regulations, and potential risks. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.